Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's start with the foundation, customer satisfaction in a call center. Why does it matter so much? Because every single customer interaction leaves an impression. A satisfied customer is more likely to stay loyal, recommend the brand, and come back again. On the other hand, an unhappy customer can impact reputation, revenue, and even employee morale. That's why in call centers, customer satisfaction isn't just a number on a dashboard, it's the key driver of performance, growth, and long-term success. Throughout this session, we'll explore exactly how and why it makes such a big difference. Let's begin with the first dimension, customer experience and brand loyalty. Customer satisfaction, or CSAT, is one of the most direct measures of how happy customers truly are after an interaction. It captures whether they felt their problem was resolved quickly, effectively, and above all, politely. But CSAT isn't just about resolving today's issue. It's also about shaping tomorrow's relationship. A satisfied customer is far more likely to stay with the brand, recommend it to others, and even increase their purchases over time. Here's a powerful example. Research shows that even a small 5% increase in CSAT can reduce customer churn by as much as 20 to 25% across many industries. That means every positive experience doesn't just delight the customer, it directly protects revenue and strengthens long-term loyalty. So, when we talk about CSAT, we are really talking about building a strong, loyal customer base that drives sustainable growth. Next, let's look at service quality and process effectiveness. Customer satisfaction is more than just a score. It's a mirror that reflects both strengths and weaknesses in the service journey. When CSAT is low, it often signals deeper issues, long wait times, multiple call transfers, or cases that remain unresolved. These aren't just numbers, they are real customer pain points that can damage trust if left unaddressed. CSAT also acts as a benchmark for service quality across every channel, whether it's a voice call, a live chat, an email interaction, or even a response on social media. By comparing results across channels, leaders can identify which touchpoints deliver excellence and which ones need urgent improvement. In short, CSAT doesn't just tell us how customers feel, it pinpoints exactly where processes succeed and where they fall short, guiding continuous improvement across the call center. Now, let's move to operational efficiency and KPI alignment. Customer satisfaction isn't just about how the customer feels, it's also a powerful operational compass. CSAT directly correlates with critical contact center metrics such as first call resolution, average handle time, and service level. When customers are satisfied, it usually means issues are being resolved on the first attempt, calls are handled efficiently, and service levels are being met consistently. But the real value lies in what low CSAT scores reveal. They act as a spotlight for root cause analysis, showing us where processes break down, where technology might be falling short, or where additional training is urgently needed. This makes CSAT more than just a feedback tool, it becomes a diagnostic instrument, helping leaders align operational performance with customer expectations and business goals. Next, let's talk about workforce performance and training. Customer satisfaction provides a direct window into how agents are performing. At an individual level, CSAT scores highlight top-performing agents who consistently delight customers, as well as those who may need additional coaching or skill development. This makes CSAT not just a customer metric, but also a valuable performance management tool. Beyond evaluation, CSAT also drives motivation. When high scores are recognized and linked to incentives or rewards, agents feel valued and inspired to maintain excellence. This recognition builds morale, encourages healthy competition, and fosters a culture of accountability across the team. In essence, CSAT transforms feedback into action, identifying training needs, rewarding achievement, and ultimately elevating the entire workforce. Finally, let's explore the financial impact of customer satisfaction. In call centers, CSAT is directly tied to revenue. The equation is simple: higher CSAT leads to higher retention, and higher retention leads to higher revenue. When customers are satisfied, they stay longer, purchase more, and are far less expensive to serve over time. Each positive interaction adds to lifetime customer value. On the other hand, low CSAT carries a heavy cost. Dissatisfied customers often make repeat calls, escalate their issues, or eventually churn altogether. Each of these outcomes drives up the cost per contact and reduces profitability. That's why improving CSAT isn't just a customer initiative, it's a financial strategy. By focusing on satisfaction, organizations protect revenue, reduce service costs, and create sustainable growth. Lastly, let's look at competitive advantage and brand reputation. In today's digital world, customer satisfaction doesn't stay hidden. Poor CSAT often spills over into public reviews and social media, where negative experiences can quickly damage a brand's reputation. Just a handful of unresolved issues can amplify online, creating a lasting impact on how the brand is perceived. On the flip side, high CSAT becomes a powerful differentiator. When a call center consistently delivers superior service, it sets the brand apart from its competitors. Customers are not only more loyal, but they also become advocates, sharing positive experiences that attract new business. In short, CSAT isn't just about internal performance, it directly shapes the brand's image in the marketplace and can serve as a key competitive advantage. Now, let's focus on SLA and contractual obligations. In many BPO environments, customer satisfaction isn't just an internal measure, it's written directly into contracts. Service level agreements often include CSAT targets, with performance tied to either penalties for underachievement or bonuses for exceeding expectations. This makes CSAT a critical factor in maintaining client relationships and protecting revenue streams. Beyond contracts, CSAT also plays a vital role in compliance reporting. Consistently high scores demonstrate that the call center is meeting both internal quality benchmarks and external service level requirements. In other words, strong CSAT performance doesn't just keep customers happy, it ensures the business stays aligned with contractual commitments and avoids costly risks. That's why, in outsourced and in-house models alike, CSAT is both a customer measure and a compliance safeguard. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.